G'day guys, Steve with Broken Sprocket. In this video I'm going to be replacing the shock linkage bearings in the RM125. So let's get started. Okay, got the shock linkage and a replacement shock linkage bearing kit. There's quite a lot in this kit. Far out, there's heaps in here. Okay, alright, I've got all the new parts here, they're all laid out, ready to go back in. Just need to remove all the old bearings and seals out of the shock linkage. Okay, let's move to the press, get the shock linkage. We need a smaller socket that's going to go through the shock linkage, push in the bearing, and this larger socket will support the shock linkage and catch the bearing. That comes out so easy. But also push that stubborn seal that wouldn't come out. Okay, this one here and this one here has two bearings on either side. I'm just going to go through and push them both through the same side. Look at all that goop and gunk in here. That there's just dirt and grease combined. This one here is the same, it's just another set of two bearings. Push one into the other one, which will push the last through. One, and the second one's almost ready to come out. That's all the bearings out. Now with all the bearings out of the shock linkage, you simply get a new bearing and it will have a rounded edge and a more squarer edge which has the writing on it. The squarer edge is on the outside and you need to push it in with your socket. Just nice and gentle, it will go in, and it's got to go in far enough for the seals to go, so just get a measurement on your seal and push it in that far. Okay, that's two bearings in. This one here only has the one bearing, so you have to make it even on both sides. As you can see, I still need a little bit more to go. Okay, I've got all the bearings pushed into this shock linkage now. You'll see there's still two more in the packet, and they actually go into the swing arm where the shock linkage hooks up. So we take a look at the swing arm and you'll see this would be those two bearings that go in here. So we'll have to remove those. Okay, You'll see that I've supported the swing arm because I need to push the bearings out of this piece here. And I've supported the swing arm on the piece that the bearings are in. That way I don't damage my swing arm at all. There's actually no pressure on my swing arm at all, just the piece that is holding the bearings so that I can push the bearings through this piece without damaging the swing arm in any way. Okay, that's one bearing out. The second one is almost ready to go. And there we go. Now with the old bearings out, it's just a simple matter of putting in the new bearings. Okay, I'm now putting the bearing back in to the swing arm, and I'm doing the same process. I'm supporting it from where the bearing is actually going in on the swing arm. That way there's nothing on my swing arm to damage it in any way, and I need to push it in as far as the seal goes, but I need to do them both separately. So once I've done one, I flip it around and I put the other bearing in. Instead of trying to get them all in one, you can't do that. You've got to put one in one side, flip it around, and then do the other side. When setting this one here up, a second set of hands would be much helpful because you're trying to juggle almost 4 things at once, and it's quite hard to do, but you can do it. It just takes a bit of time. They do come with grease on them, but put some more in there just to make sure they've got plenty. Alright, once they're re-greased, get your seal. The bit with the groove or the bit with the writing goes to the outer edge. Simply pop them in. Once your seals are in, you just put your sleeve in there. That's it. And then put these collars in. Now with the bearings and the seals and everything already in there, just going to run some cable ties through here. That's just to hold them in place because I'm not going to be fitting them to the bike for some time, so I don't want to lose anything that I've already installed. So simply just put a cable tie in there and it'll stop anything from falling out. So there you have it, new bearings are installed in your swing arm linkage. So that's the whole swing arm linkage set up there. Hey, watch this video next, or go to the Broken Sprocket video library and choose another top video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. After all, it's for free and guaranteed to make your day 20% better. If you're already a subscriber and you're having a bad day, just think it could have been 20% worse. You can also follow Broken Sprocket on Instagram. So, I'll see you in the next video.